Number three is a very powerful number, guys. Let me tell you why. 3 income streams. One income stream will be instant cash. And what we use that for, guys, what my team use that for, is to buy more traffic, more eyeballs to, right? And the other 2 are residual income that you get paid every week from. Now, if we do this right, now that's the important part. You have to do your job on a lot of avenues by staying motivated, coming up with ideas how to drive traffic. You have to do your job. Also, can work for 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, and just make it like a 3 to 4 year plan, but you working hard to build a foundation, guys. You want also, but I'm also gonna help you guys a lot. So if you want the 3 business that I recommend, 1 is instant cash and 2 is residual income every week. You get paid Wednesdays and Fridays for the residual income. So you get paid twice a week. And then instant cash come, you can get paid by check from the company, or you can set up like a Stripe account or something like that. You want the money right away. But me, I like checks. So I like my checks coming in the mailbox every week. So I get paid 3 times a week, guys. 1 check, and then I got a debit card, and 1 to my bank account. That's set up to that. And then another one, I got a debit card from the business, and the money comes straight to my debit card. So if you want more information about this, guys, just click on the next on the 3 business. All right, guys. Happy weekend.